Welcome to our journey through one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. The Colosseum, an ancient symbol of history, strength, and timeless wonder. As we approach, its grand arches rise before us, whispering stories from centuries past. Every stone carries echoes of a civilization that once stood at the heart of an empire. Walking through its massive walls, we imagine the footsteps of countless visitors before us. What was once a stage for spectacles is now a place where the world gathers to reflect and admire. Inside, the arena opens wide, revealing a space filled with both glory and silence. The sunlight cuts across the ancient stones, reminding us that time moves on, yet history remains. Standing here, we feel a deep connection with the past. The Colosseum is not only a monument, it is a story of resilience, endurance, and the human spirit. Our visit leaves us with lasting memories, not of battles or crowds, but of the beauty of history preserved. A place where yesterday meets today, and where every visitor leaves with a story of their own.
Travel tip: always check the weather. If it's hot, bring plenty of water and something to keep you cool. If it's chilly, pack a light layer to stay comfortable.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the highlights we captured during our unforgettable visit to the Colosseum in Italy. If you book a guided tour of the Colosseum, you'll discover so much more than just the arena itself. The experience is designed to unfold step by step, with 44 fascinating points of interest, each explained by your guide and supported with audio that brings the past to life. The journey begins with the origins of the Colosseum and the grand vision behind its creation. You'll also learn about the enormous statue that once stood nearby, which gave the amphitheater its famous name. From there, the guide walks you through the structure itself, the towering outer facade, the intricate inner passages, and the gates once used for triumphal entrances and final exits. Inside, the history becomes even more vivid. You'll see the underground levels where gladiators and animals waited, and hear how elaborate shows were staged, from fierce battles to reenactments of naval fights. Stories of the games, the gladiators, and the wild animal hunts reveal the intensity of Roman entertainment. The tour also points out how the Colosseum changed over time. In the Middle Ages, it gained a different purpose, even becoming a Christian sanctuary. You'll also hear about the art and symbolism that still surround this monument today, and how its appearance has evolved through the centuries. But the experience doesn't stop at the Colosseum itself. The guide leads you to the nearby Arch of Constantine, and then onward to the Palatine Hill. Here you'll discover stories of Rome's legendary founders and explore the remains of palaces, stadiums, and imperial houses that once overlooked the Forum. The final part of the journey takes you through the Roman Forum, where temples, basilicas, and arches stand as reminders of a city that was once the center of the ancient world. Each stop tells a piece of Rome's long and fascinating story. A guided tour turns these ruins into living history, helping you see not just the stones and structures, but the people, stories, and moments that shaped them. It's a journey that brings the ancient world to life, step by step. After all the walking at the Colosseum, we treated ourselves to a delicious lunch close by.